guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with China. Today we're back with another video. In today's video we are going to try to do a little styling with my hair. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you haven't shared yet, you guys, and you've been watching my videos, what are you doing? Please subscribe. All right. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be styling my locks. I literally retwisted them last night, and usually when I retwist them, I don't really style them. I just leave them down. But I'm about to go out on a little date or whatever, so I wanted to look cute. So I'm just like, let me try to style them a little bit and see how it would look. I'm not really sure what look I'm going for, so I'm just gonna go with the flow and see what we come up with, you guys, really. Because I'm not really good with styling, but I try my best, you guys. So far I have one right here. As you guys know, I recently just combined, let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 8 of my locks. So I had I originally had 116 locks, but since I combined 4 of them, I mean 8 of them, now I have, I believe, 112. Let me see. Yeah, so I have 112 locks, you guys, and I am loving it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. So this is one of the locks that I combined. You guys see that's pretty big. So what you're gonna need for the style that I'm attempting is some rubber bands, some pins if you would like to use pins instead, your edge control so we can do our edges after, and that's about it, you guys. So just follow along and we'll see what we turn out with. So we just go into, okay, so we're gonna put this over like that. One will go like this. Okay. Alright, you guys. So we're gonna get a rubber band, tie that baby down. I feel like I might have to do a ponytail instead, because I feel like it would look weird. So let's just finish this process first, and we'll see if we can do a ponytail. That, I feel like that'll look a little bit more cuter. So let's see. So put it over, then take one again, put it over. I think that looks decent. So now I'm gonna tie that baby up. We're gonna tie that baby up. It's not gonna look perfect, you guys, but it's gonna look presentable. This is what we're going for, presentable. I'm not good with styling, but we're gonna do our best. Okay, looks semi the same. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Okay, so get a rubber band. I hope you guys can see what I did. You just put the thing over and try to do a barrel. Okay. And this one, okay. Okay, you guys. Finish part 1. Okay. Alright, so this is how it looks in the front. If I really want to, I could have just left it just like this, but I'm not. So what I'm gonna do, now I'm gonna get all of them. We're gonna do a little ponytail, something like that. I'm trying to see what I can. Alright, you guys, so I am all done with my hair. Alright, so this is it, you guys. I think this is so cute. When I take pictures, I'll post some nice pictures in the back for you guys to see. My face is sorry for the oiliness. I put some serum in my face, but you guys, yep, this is the hairstyle. I love it. Yep, you guys, it was easy, it was quick, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys like this hairstyles, or if you guys want to see more of me doing hairstyles. You guys let me know and I will do them for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and also let me guys know what you guys want to see. Yeah, thank you guys so much again. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. I know I already showed you guys the result of my hair, but I'm back because I did something to it. Well, my boyfriend did something. He did like this little, he took hairs from the back and then he tied it in the front, like a few of them, and then I was like, oh, I think we're going somewhere, so I pinned them in the back, and now we have this cute little bun. Look how cute it looks, you guys. The back don't look that good, but it looks really cute. I had this style in for like a week now, you guys, and it still looks pretty decent. But yeah, like I just wanted to show you guys the little bun and how cute it looks. I'm gonna add it to the tutorial video, but the only thing that he did was he grabbed hair from the back and then he literally suck it and put it in the front and then just tie it. And then I just pinned down the end part, and then yeah, now I got this cute little bun.